How to access YouTube trending after it disappeared. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find trending content on YouTube, even though the official trending page is gone. Plus, I'll explain why YouTube decided to remove it in the first place, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. First off, why did the trending tab vanish? Don't worry, it's not a problem with your phone, the app, or a glitch. YouTube actually announced months ago that they would retire the trending page, and in July of this year, they made it official. The main reason is pretty simple. Over the past few years, fewer people were actually visiting the trending page. Most users now discover popular videos through personalized recommendations, search results, or other YouTube features. Because of this shift, YouTube decided to replace the trending tab with YouTube charts. These charts let you see what's popular across different categories, like music, gaming, and creators. If you want to read YouTube's official statement, I'll drop the link in the description below. Now here's the crucial part. Since the trending tab has been fully removed, there's no way to bring it back, not even on a browser. The old link, youtube.com/feed/trending, no longer works. So what's the alternative? That's where YouTube charts come in. While it's not the exact same experience as the old trending page, it allows you to explore popular content in a much more organized way. You can see top videos broken down by category. So whether you're into music, gaming, or creators, you'll know what's hot right now. Here's how to check it out. Open the YouTube app or go to youtube.com on your browser. Tap on the Explore tab. Instead of trending, you'll now see charts, where you can browse the top videos in each category. This is the new way to stay on top of what's popular on YouTube. It's a little different from the old trending page, but it actually gives you a more focused view of what's currently hot in each category. And that's it. I'll keep you updated on all the latest YouTube changes, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out.